Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishabh and I'm here again with another new video. Okay, so in this video I will tell you about all common BGV issues. So be with me till last to understand every issue in detail, and this issues will affect your hiring or not, I will also tell. Okay, so let's pick one by one and discuss all the common issues in BGV. Okay. So first I will take that BGV mail not received. Okay, so if you got your LOI, then you will definitely get your BGV mail. Okay, so you need to wait for 2 weeks. Okay, in 2 weeks most probably they will send BGV mail. So if you get BGV mail, then now what you have to do? You have to open the careers page, log in there and click on fill more details and open your background verification portal. And if there are two birds appearing, okay, then you have to wait for some days. Okay, so you need to wait for some days and also write a mail to manager.campus so that they will re-trigger your BGV. And when your link is activated, then you have to fill your details and upload your documents. Okay, so I will tell everything what you have to do and what are the common problems that you will face during BGV. I will help you. Okay, so let's pick one by one everything, every point, and discuss what are the common issues. So let's start. So first start with name. Okay, so you are saying that your name is not properly visible in BGV. Why this is so? Because they take only first name and last name, they remove the middle name. That's why sometimes your name is not displaying correctly. So this is not an issue, they take first name and last name, that's why you are seeing that your name is incorrect. Okay, so this problem you can resolve at time of onboarding. Okay, you need to tell them at time of onboarding and then they will correct the name issue. So now move to second, we will face the another issue which is date of birth issue. Okay, so date of birth sometimes is written by default wrong and it is not editable. So when you click on date of birth, it is not going to change. So in that case you have to mail them that your date of birth is wrong and they will correct it later. Moving to next, the next issue is gender issue. So sometimes gender is not clickable, you cannot select your gender. So don't take tension, you can change gender later also. So coming to next issue sometimes candidates face of mobile number. So sometimes mobile number is displayed correctly in BGV portal and it is also non-editable. You cannot change your mobile number. In that case you need to mail to manager.campus and they will resolve it in some time. Sometimes because of number issue, mobile number issue, you cannot proceed to next step. Okay, so you need to mail to them and they will resolve it in some time, then you can move to next step. So next issue sometimes candidate face is what to put in year of passing, because year of passing showing the current date only, it is not showing the last date, and also you are not able to select the date. So as you pursuing your graduation, so you need to select your current date only. Okay, and if you completed your graduation, then you can choose the further dates also. So no need to worry, you can select date, further dates if available, or select the current date if you did not complete your graduation yet. Okay, so this is not a big problem. So next problem many diploma candidates face. Okay, so the problem is they are doing diploma and when they are giving diploma details and 10th details and click on save and next, then it is asking that please provide your 10th and 12th details, but you did not do your 12th, then what you will do in this situation? So you need to add a new section, give it as 12 and copy paste your diploma details in 12th also, and then you can proceed to next step. So coming to next problem is sometimes the document that you uploaded will not be visible in the portal. So this is happening because of some technical issue, so don't worry about this. If you uploaded successfully and a dialog box appear in front of you that documents are uploaded successfully, then it is there, you can't able to see it, but it is uploaded successfully. Okay, so coming to next problem, sometimes candidate face when they upload PAN card and submit it, then PAN card automatically goes into other document option. It is not an issue. Website is designed in this way that when we upload PAN card, it goes to other documents. So don't worry, it is uploaded successfully and it will not cause any issue. The next problem is sometimes the page show regenerate button and it is not opening when you try to open the BGV portal. So in that case, just click on that regenerate button and your BGV portal automatically displays all details and uploaded documents. So these are the common problems that I want to tell you in this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and please share this video to your friends so that if they are doing BGV and facing some issue, then they will release their tension by watching this video. And if you are new, please subscribe the channel so that my videos come to you very quickly. Okay, so meet me in next video. Bye bye, take care and best of luck for your future. Bye.